Former Malabon Vice Mayor Jeannie Sandoval's loyalty to the president has landed her a new job. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, Sandoval returned to Malacanang to take her oath before President Duterte as member of the Board of Directors of the Development Bank of the Philippines. She is the wife of former Malabon Representative Jeannie Sandoval. In the May 2019 election, she ran for mayor but lost to Lenlen Oreta, despite the endorsement of President Duterte. In the same midterm polls, her husband, who ran as congressman, failed in his bid to be re-elected as Malabon representative.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.